There being duly seconded and hearing no objections, Journal Number 1, Series of 2023 of the January 16th, 2023 regular sessions hereby approved.
Sa ika-21 regular session ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan kahapon, mainit na pinag-usapan ang mga vaccination programs.
And that's why the reason why we invited the IATF is not just for COVID, but also we have to remember that there are other vaccination programs and other health programs that need to be implemented, not just the COVID vaccination programs.
Maliban kasi sa COVID-19, tinututukan din ang vaccination program sa mga bata kontra hepatitis, tigdas at iba pa. Noong nakaraang taon, Pangasinan ang nakapagtala ng may pinakamataas na kaso ng tigdas sa Ilocos Region na umabot sa 61 kaso.
We're trying to monitor the measles, no? Because we recorded low fully immunized children po last year. No, actually ito yung challenge talaga po sa atin, sir. We just covered like 68%, no, when in fact the target's like 95. No, so we're looking into the different fully immunized child indicators of the different 44 municipalities and 3 cities.
So we have to do at least our share para matanggal tayo dyan sa top 10 list ng mga kabataan po natin, mga infants pataas hanggang 12 years old na hindi nabibigyan ng mga bakuna.
Samantala, ipinaalala ni 4th District Board Member Jerry Rosario ang pagsusuot ng face mask lalo na sa matataong lugar.
Pandemic, as we have heard from them, is not yet over, and I think it is high time also for us to still practice, no, the safety protocols, and of course it will be help if the PNP can help us in implementing the basic guidelines as instructed, but through the executive orders that were mentioned a while ago.
Inaasahan na makakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng vaccination drive ng probinsya ang pagbubukas ng kauna-unahang vaccine cold room sa probinsya. Jose Robert Inventor para sa Luzon Headlines.